Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the famous beginner scene from Stranger Things. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm talking about this one. Okay, so to do this trend, what you can do, just visit my profile. On the top of my profile you will see this playlist. Go to CapCut template. Okay, this is the first video in my playlist. What you have to do, on the bottom left corner you will see the effect icon. This is CapCut, try this template. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed here. Then tap on use template in CapCut. Now you will be directed to CapCut. Okay, so here on the bottom of the screen you will see use AI template. I have 3 users preparing. I just have to tap on use AI template. Okay, now I have to browse the picture from camera roll, so let me go with this one. Hit next. Okay, and we're done. Now you can tap on export and you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you next video.